Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. But you can always switch it on by hitting the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!